Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you get into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create and enhance the video quality, and it only use the CapCut. So this is the result and comparison. As you can see in the left video is the previously it's a ordinary or the regular video from the camera, and it has not been edited by the colors or the saturation, etc. But on the right side we have just done the color grading, so this video can be created more colorful and vibrant. How can we do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So don't forget to install this CapCut first from your smartphone. Or if you are the user of the Android phone, then you can install it first from the Play Store. Or if you are the user of the iOS or the iPhone, then you can install it first from the App Store. And this is the look of the homepage once you have already installed it. And you can also do the logged in into your account to get more benefit to do the video editing. Then I will go into the new project here. Then I will select the video that is being saved in my gallery. Okay, so this is the look when you already upload the video into your project. So it is optional. You can mute this video clip first, and so does remove the watermark that usually being placed on the last clip. You can just delete it. And after that, to create, let's say, the comparison, the first step I will do is I will select this clip, then I will duplicate it. For the second clip that has been duplicated, then I will choose the overlay, and I will hold this a little bit and drag it or move it to the left so it can be parallel with the first clip. Then what I would do is select this second clip. Then I will look for the mask and choose the horizontal. Let's say I will rotate it. Well, you can actually rotate it by your two fingers by hold this two point with your two fingers, or you can just simply click adjust and click this rotate. Then it will allows you and help you to rotate this page or this video. There you go. Make sure that it's already precisely divided into the left and right section. Then I will go back and let's do the work. Let's say in the left section is the video that we will let the color grading just as it is, and this is the second clip is the video that we would like to do the color grading. When you select this second clip, then you can choose every single menu over here. Then you can explore more to do the video editing. Then since I would like to change the color, then I will choose this adjust, and we will start it from the brightness here. Let's try with the brightness. Oh, it's upside down. So I will go back to the mesh a little bit. to rotate the position. And I will click adjust. Then I will rotate this. Make sure that the line can be positioned precisely. And there you go. Then we can go back to the adjust option to start the color grading. So let's start with the brightness. You can actually create and what nuance or what the ambience that you would like to create from the video. So let's say I will try to raise the brightness a little bit until 10. Then I will move to the contrast. We can keep the scale in the 10. Then we will go to the saturation. I will try to slide the scale to become, let's say, to become 15. As you can see, when I change the saturation, the color is more vibrant here than in the left side. Then I will next to the brilliance. As you can see, if I slide the scale to the right, so yes, the color to become more bright, but it is not really good if the picture or the video is too bright. Then I will start to move it to the left. Then I will choose the -15 since I would like to create the cold and also foggy forest over here. Then I'll go to the sharpen. Let's say I will start to move it to become 80. And after that, as you can see, the picture can be more detailed over here since we enhance the sharpen here. Then we move to the clarity. Then I will try to change the scale to become 50. And let's get into the HSL. The stands for the hue, saturation, and lightness. So the first color I would change is about the red color here. And I will start off with the saturation to become -15, -50, I'm sorry. And also the orange color, I will change the lightness here to become -52 because I don't want this video being too bright to keep the ambience here. Then I will move to the highlights and I will move it to become -20. And let's see the result. As you can see, this video is more vibrant about the leaf and also the soil, but it keeps the ambience of the nature and also create the foggy and cold ambience. So that's all guys. Please don't forget to try it by yourself and explore more with your CapCut. And please let us know if this tip and trick also work for you guys. So that's all from me, and if you have any requests or feedback for this video, please don't be hesitant to put it on a comment down below because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.